Thank you, sister.
Welcome.
Have you ever felt confused about what's happening to you? Like your body is changing and your thoughts feel different? If you have ever felt this way, then don't worry, you are not alone.
Good morning. I, Dr. Priyanka Singh, Associate Professor in Department of Pediatrics, JNU Hospital and Medical College. I would like to guide you regarding important phase of life, that is adolescence. This phase consists of growth and development that occurs in a female body. The females which carry very many questions, confusions and fear. The questions which raise unanswered, the fear that they silently carry, and the other questions which remain unanswered. Today I would like to guide you regarding this phase. Now let's start talking about something very important that occurs in a female body during adolescence. These changes occur in a female body due to the occurrence of hormones. What are hormones? Hormones are basically the natural messengers that are secreted in a female's body, due to which the changes occur during adolescence. First change that occur during adolescence is the change in the body shape. The female structure changes, the hips start getting wider, there is development of breast, and the other important changes that occur is the onset of menstruation. The onset of menstruation shows that your body is maturing. Initially, a female starts feeling uncomfortable, but later on this becomes very healthy and happy for a female. You may also experience mood swings during adolescence time. Due to these mood swings, the patient feels sometimes irritated and sometimes emotional. Every girl has her own pace of development. Every girl is different. Some changes are uncomfortable, but they are more common than you think. Like during adolescence, there will be development of acne or pimples over the face. There will be development of facial hair over the face. There will be periods which will be initially irregular during the adolescence. Later on, the periods will be regular, but this is completely normal. These changes are normal during adolescence, so there is nothing to feel embarrassed about. Today, I would like to talk about something very important. In our daily OPD, we see young girls. These young girls, some of them come with questions, some come with anxiety, some of them come with responsibility beyond their age. Adolescence is a stage of development, physical, mental and emotional. But when this stage gets interrupted due to marriages, this growth gets interrupted and responsibility comes before age in these females. Let girls grow, let them understand themselves. Marriage should come with readiness, not responsibility. At last, I would just like to conclude, because a healthy future comes with right decision at the right time. Thank you.